Hi guys, this is Upasana Dhami. I have been selected to the Spark Foundation internship program and this is my first task. The first task is all about to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of studies hours. So here I have been imported some libraries, that is NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, Skling and warnings. Warning basically is because to get rid of the warnings. Then I have been loaded the dataset which was also provided by the Sparks Foundation, and after uploading the dataset I have checked the dimension whether the data has how much rows or column, and after getting it then I have been exploited data analysis using the different charts. So first I have used the scatter plot to check the relationship between the hours and the scores provided by the two independent variables. So we have make a observation that there is a positive relation, as you can see here, between the number of studies and the percentage score. And here we can make an insight that our independent and dependent variable are highly correlated. Now, secondly, I have used an heat map to stroke the amount of correlation between the two values. So we got 0.28 positive correlation, which means there are highly correlates, so we can clearly make an insights of it. Next, as you can see here, we have used the quintile plot to analyze the distribution of both variables to check the distribution is normal or not. So we can clearly see here both are mostly clear and are near on the red line, which means that we are having an approximately normal distribution. We can make an insight that our linear regression model will now definitely work because the variables are having normal distribution. So let's check it in the next step. Next, I have splitted data into features and level so we can train the model and let some data for testing too. The model, so first I have created a linear location model and then fitted the training data that our model can be trained, and then I use the test data to predict the model so we can do it. So when we compare the actual data and the predicted value, there is very little difference. So let's compare the actual. So this is the actual end. So there is very minor difference, like actually that one machine learning product at 83, 30 and 27. So lastly I have used visualize the best fit line for training data that machine and produce, and for the testing data, so we can say that there is very minor error predicted by the model. At the last, according to our assignment, we have to predict that if the student studies for 9.2 hours per day, that what will be the percent. So according to the model, the percentage will be 92.38%. So in the end, I have done the model evaluation using the mean squared error. So we got 3.9, which means our model is so much accurate, and I checked the hardware score for the model accuracy, which is 0.90. So over the model is given to us has the best result, and all I conclude is the task which I got to found how much hours a student, if he'll means study 9.2 hours per day, so he'll percentage will be 92.38%.